What's up, guys? I'm checking in because I found something interesting and I had to share it with you. It's kind of an interesting finding. As I'm taking out that quiet setup that I did a few days ago, I could only take that for a day or two and it was way too boring. I hella had to have my GTI tone back, so yeah, all the non-resonate stuff is going back in. But I made this video. I don't even have a holder for this. I'm just holding the GoPro. I noticed something and I went, whoa, that is a trip. So I have this completely as tight as I can by my hands. And what I noticed was gigantic holes where I can see light. There it is. Through the gasket. Look at that. And I did reverse this piece just in case it was the exact same. All for quite a long time, I have had this big exhaust leak at that point. Maybe that's why my tone sounds so good. Maybe it adds a little buzz in just the right place. I'm gonna find out because I am gonna fix it. So aside from not having a belt sander and properly, flatten the two pieces is the best way to do it. Otherwise, you can double up on your gaskets and these sweet Tycon gaskets. So I'm gonna go ahead and double up on them and we'll do one more check on this. All right, guys, as you can see, I have doubled up the gasket. There is two of them. And when we do the test again, and I haven't even tightened it that tight yet, and all the light is gone. So that's the key. I haven't even tightened this side. Don't worry about that. The big gap in the center, because that's all it was about the half thickness of a gasket. So adding a second one, I shouldn't have any blowout issues, and it should just solve the leak. I can't wait to hear what it sounds like, but maybe it won't sound as good.